been riding these trails probably since 1993, so I've seen them come and go. I saw them get built this way, and I really appreciate you guys are fixing them up. So thank you.
Patches, I think, are done very well. They're very smooth.
This is a fabulous city, and as you know, one of the best biking cities in the nation.
So the patches are fabulous. They've smoothed out a lot, absolutely.
Oh, that's wonderful that they're thinking of the root systems of the trees.
The ride over the patches is beautiful. I would like to say two things. One is you guys are doing a great job. And two, thanks to Minneapolis for doing this.
Patches are good. They're nice and smooth. I wish you could do the whole road.
Thank you for also putting so much emphasis on the cycle network here, because it's great. It's lovely to cycle around such a beautiful city.
I think they're really helpful. There tends to be a lot of time in the summer, these kind of like gouges that come up, so I think these patches really help to smooth those out and make it more safe for people riding bikes and roadways like me.
The patches have been good. They've been very good, and you've made them even and smooth, and that's great for a biker.
I love it, man. Now I can ride smoothly.